Me just taking myself to new heights in the gym, trying new skills, a little bit of a look inside my life.
With the Olympics right around the corner, the entire world will be watching crowd favorite gymnast Simone Biles as she flips and spins for the gold. This star athlete doesn't need to prove herself either, as she has excelled in dozens of trials and has the bank account to prove it. Simone Biles boasts a net worth of a whopping $6 million, which is a number that many Olympians can't even come close to. So what does America's gymnast sweetheart do with all of that money when she's not out on the mat winning gold medals for the USA? In this video, we will be delving into Simone Biles' rich lifestyle and how she spends her millions, and some of these might be pretty surprising. But before we get into the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of the exciting new videos we post. Number 1. Her impressive home. The first thing that every adult needs is a roof over their head, and Simone Biles did not cut corners when it came to settling down and purchasing her first home. The Texas native purchased a beautiful home just outside of Houston, Texas in 2019 and has spent the intervening 2 years upgrading the already impressive details and features to make this home even more dreamy. Although she has kept very hush-hush about how much she spent in purchasing and renovating the house, her Instagram photos that have been taken on the property reveal that it can't have been cheap. The house is sleek and modern and features an absolutely massive in-ground pool. The indoor is bright and airy with white colors and expensive but tasteful decor, and her social media presence shows that she truly loves to kick back in her backyard patio by the pool, which she is outfitted with comfy furniture and an amazing table with swinging chairs. Hey Simone, when can we come over for dinner? Number 2. Charity work. Something that is incredibly important for the wealthy but down-to-earth athlete is giving back. She maintains that she is well aware of how incredibly fortunate she is to be able to have the millions that she does, and she makes a point to donate thousands of dollars back to the causes that she is passionate about every year. A former foster child, she donates and works regularly with foster care organizations. She also funded a scholarship for foster children through University of the People and donated over 600,000 items, including school supplies and clothes, to kids through the program Mattress Firm Foster Kids. Additionally, she donates to and works with animal shelters around her hometown of Houston, as if we needed a reason to love Simone any more than we already do. Next up, her 2 dogs. When it comes to lavish lifestyles, Simone might be more down-to-earth than most millionaire athletes, but she spares no expense when it comes to her beloved dogs. She owns 2 French bulldogs named Lilo and Rambo, and the pair are often featured in her social media posts, where it is quite clear that she spoils her dog children. They even have their own Instagram called the Biles Frenchies that boasts almost 50,000 followers. Judging from photos posted to social media, they have their own dog-sized furniture in her home, and it is clear that they are the apple of the gymnast's eye, as she is incredibly passionate about spoiling the puppies with anything they could possibly need or want. We can't blame her. Lilo and Rambo are pretty dang cute. Number 4. Saving and investing. All spending and no saving makes Simone a poor gymnast, or something like that. We wouldn't really know, because Simone Biles is incredibly smart with her money and prefers to save and invest it. An athlete with millions upon millions of dollars in the bank might be tempted to spend frivolously, because with so much money, they would hardly notice if a couple $100,000 went missing. But Biles doesn't adopt this attitude with her riches at all. Coming from a rather ordinary background and having spent some time in the foster care system, Biles is always aware that she needs to be planning for the future, and says that she has a fear of not having any money. She won't be able to flip and tumble forever after all. 5 necessities only. It might be surprising, but for being a millionaire, Simone doesn't actually spend her money all that often. As we've said, she has a crippling fear of not having money, especially once her gymnastics career is over and she is unable to compete. This means that her luxurious lifestyle is truly much more modest than you might think. In fact, she has said in interviews that she actually has a lot of willpower when it comes to spending, and she really only spends money on herself when it comes to an absolute necessity. vanity. Although nobody would blame her for buying luxurious items and surrounding herself with expensive things, we do admire her ability to say no to certain things when she's swiping her card. Number 6, a fancy car. Even though she has said she is hesitant to spend money on large splurges, she has reached deep into her pocketbook on a few occasions, and one of those is when she recently purchased a luxury car. She posted a picture of her absolutely stunning new blue convertible Range Rover Evoque to Instagram to share the news with her fans, and they appeared to be incredibly happy for their role model, especially since she is known to hesitate on large purchases. Even better was the adorable name that she christened the car, Tiff. Additionally, she has said that she dreams of one day owning a black Mercedes G-Wagon with a red interior. Fancy. She definitely deserves to treat herself to such a beautiful car after all of her hard work leading up to the Olympics. 7. Another fancy car. When it comes to herself, Simone Biles is loath to spend a fortune for a luxury lifestyle, but the same cannot be said of her spending habits for those she cares about. Before she ever bought herself a luxury car, she purchased her grandmother, Nellie Biles, who raised her and stood in as her mother, a luxury Mercedes SUV in a beautiful cherry red color. The Christmas gift doubled as an appreciation gift for the support and love that her grandmother had given her throughout her childhood, especially because Nellie Biles stepped up and raised Simone when Simone needed her. Some fans were upset that she had bought such an extravagant gift, but Simone can afford it, and after all, there would be no Olympian Simone Biles without the support of Nellie through the years. Don't listen to the haters, Simone. Next up, maintaining her lifestyle. The largest element of Simone's lifestyle is not very luxurious, but it still costs a jaw-dropping amount to maintain. Top athletes must lead a strict and disciplined lifestyle that is carefully calculated to allow them to remain in peak physical condition and competition shape. She spends hours training every day and follows a strict diet and eating plan consisting of whole, healthy foods, fruits, veggies, and lean meats. She carefully stays away from processed and greasy foods and spends every spare moment that she has working on her form and physical condition. The price of this detailed, rigorous, and top-of-the-line regime doesn't come cheaply either. As they say, you get what you pay for, and it must be paying off for her as she has the gold medals to prove it. Number 9, Olympic training. While not as exciting as some other luxury purchases, this spend is absolutely necessary to become the most decorated Olympic gymnast of all time. Simone trains at least 6 hours a day, 5 days a week, under the direction of her coaches and personal trainers. She also has daily physical therapy and stretching routines that keep her in competition shape, as well as making sure that she is safe and injury-free with such rigorous training schedules. As if all of that wasn't enough, she swims, runs, and cycles to keep her endurance up and cross-train her body. Simone trains with Cecile and Lauren Landy at the World Champion Center, and along with a team of doctors and experts at the center, they make sure that the world-class athlete is always in excellent shape. Her athletic abilities are what has made her millions after all, so it only makes sense that she invests in maintaining it. Number 10, endorsements. All of that money has to come from somewhere, and a large portion of her millions comes from hefty endorsement deals. Huge brands are always eager to get behind the wealthy athlete, partially due to her hardworking drive and success, but also because of her huge popularity and uncontroversial lifestyle with the public all over the world. This makes it easy for brands to support her and help to fund her wealthy life, as they can be sure that she will only boost their brand and provide excellent publicity for them. Basically, her winning personality makes her an incredibly safe bet, and it is paid off in sponsorships and partnerships with big brands such as Hershey's, Nike, Kellogg's, and several others. It's also safe to say that her attendance at the 2021 Tokyo Olympics will only grow her sponsorship base. And finally, her own gymnastics line. As we've said, Simone Biles doesn't just spend her millions, she also invests it. An incredibly astute businesswoman, she makes her money work for her so that she can continue to grow her finances and save for a rainy day. She launched a partnership with the GK Elite Sportswear in 2015 that released Simone Biles exclusively branded leotards so that girls everywhere could dress like their role model. Making time for business ventures such as this when she already has has such a busy and successful career can't have been easy, but we're glad to see that it's paying off for her. After all, you can't expect her to spend all her money on fun and exciting things. You go, girl. And that brings us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching.